At230 here with our Audi R8. We have already put on the Rowan body kit, so it's got the front lift, rear diffuser, side skirt. It also has some 19-inch wheels, 3-piece. And let us go ahead and show you the air management system. And then here we have our air tank, our 2 compressors, our valves to control everything that we're doing when we're sending the air to different corners, and a water trough just to catch any liquid that is going through it. Today, when they brought it back, so we can do a preventative maintenance checkup on it, make sure everything's good, nothing's rubbing, leaking, or any signs of wear and tear. We are going to check the air management system, which consists of all of our hard lines for the compressors. We're going to check our tank, and we're going to check our valves and the water trough as well. Make sure none of these hoses are leaking. So as we jacked it up, we're gonna take a look at our bag. We're gonna go ahead and check our clearance and make sure nothing's been rubbing up on the bag. We're gonna go ahead and check all of our braided cables that are here, make sure nothing's moving around too much or has any wear on it. We're also gonna check our collar, make sure we lock this one up nice and tight. Don't want that to come loose. And check all of our hose lines, make sure they're not leaking from where they're connected. Go ahead and turn to the right. And then to the left. Just clear as possible. Back just to check for it. Now that we checked the bags, hose lines, and everything, we're going to head and lower the vehicle. So now that we finished the inspection, we're going to throw on the wheels, get this thing back on the floor, and get ready to get picked up. Right here at the top, located above the shock, we actually have our dampener adjuster. So if you feel like making your ride a little bit stiffer or softer, you can adjust them quick and easy.